not speak English, but I'm excited! Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on our way to another country. Today is 30th of June. Tomorrow is my birthday, so we're traveling somewhere to celebrate my birthday. So we are currently at duty free, trying to get last minute alcohol and finally trying to get out of duty free. They'll unfollow me, man. Looking at you.
Such a cake.
Oh, we'll pay this, no?
I do not speak English, but I'm excited! Basically, if you're not aware, Funchal Airport is very controversial for being the most difficult airport to land. It's a scary scenario because there's a lot of winds and look, these are the flights that are already there but they're not landing, they're just going round and round. So we don't know, but we will see. This landing is a whole experience. Understand what we're feeling, but you can't. Line लगा के.
Krishna Ronaldo.
So if you are arriving in Funchal and want to get to your hotel or Airbnb, Bolt is the easiest way to do it. So please download the Bolt app and then you'll have cheaper rides and everything.
Go Funchal is the code. Go Funchal.
But why are we been waiting for the Bolt for so long?
Yeah, because they're busy right now. We're trying to book a 6-seater one, but it's showing busy, so we're just waiting for. There are buses, but I think it's a little more trickier to get to where you want.
No.
With buses.
Salute.
Cheers करिए आइए.
Obrigado. Obrigado.
Say thank you.
What do you say cheers in Portuguese? Let me search.
Start the
How much is this tea for?
Reliance worker ki Max worker?
Sir, 50 rupees parking.
We are still waiting for our cab to arrive, and it hasn't arrived. Annoyed. Lionel is annoyed.
Right.
We also had 3 shots, so it might be the celebrations have begun already. So
Happy birthday!
birthday!
Happy New Year!
It is something tomorrow. Angache Madira che kalagi National Day.
Oh yeah, dude.
Tomorrow is Madira's National Day as well. I feel so because I hated the fact that I was born 3 days before the American independence, because then at least my birthday would be celebrated in America.
Oh my.
4th July.
Okay.
Oh, lots of expectations.
I have lots of no, because I have a friend who's born on the 4th of July. Jealous.
Hey, this is spicy.
AF. But yeah, so Madira's National Day is on my birthday, so I'm so happy about that.
Too much kata yaar. The end of the trip.
We are having our first meal in Portugal. This is the poncha. I can't wait to try this. Guys, cheers. Cheers. Hey, तू टाइट झालाय हांवें सामा धरला.
God.
Cheers. This is like rum, but it's flavored. Pineapple rum.
So tasty.
Ah, very tasty.
It's tasty, but
It's really nice, but it's strong. You can feel, that is strong.
apparently in Madeira we should try the meat skewers. Oh yeah.
So we have.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
we have bolo de caco, which is like their famous bread. That's like mostly like bread and cheese. Most garlic bread. Yeah.
Like this.
That tastes like garlic bread. Then we've ordered shrimp risotto and grilled limpets, which is like their famous dish here, which is like a whole platter of oysters and yes, like platter of oyster and mussels. So I'm excited to try that because they're known for their seafood. One is shrimp, one is mushroom. That's mushroom, that's shrimp.
Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, we'll have this.
Hey! Happy birthday, man.
और मौसमी भी कर डाले
पूरा दादा ना देना.
Oi! Table over panna.
Where is it allowed on the street?
I mean, it was on the street. This streets only, not UK streets.
सुई करवा
ಹತ್ತುಗಳೇ ಬದಿರೇ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗು ಬೋಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಇದು ವಾರ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ बरं आहे आणि दुसरं काय बरं ना
Show me. Anga, anga.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗದ
Te turn kara. Oh, आप सांगना left. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the
ರೈಟ್
right.
ರೈಟ್ ಕರೀಜೆಗಿ
First left, left.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್
राईट
Oh, sorry, left, left. First left.
Dylan joins आहे ना गे
ರೆಡಿ
Wait, wait, wait. Ha, okay, start. Dale, coffee break, dale. High energy.
ಜಸ್ಟ್
High energy.
Justin!
We want to do that Beauty and a Beat reel so bad that we have named our little Airbnb cat Justin. And we can't find Justin now. Oh, he was there. Yeah. Bidhar ho na mo? Justin. Sunrise ತಾನೆ
ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ತಾನೆ
ಏನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್
ಯಾವ್ದು
Oh my god. It is so the best way to turn 26. Look at my morning view. The camera doesn't even do justice to how beautiful this looks in real. This is insane. Dear, you are gorgeous. It's so windy, but this view is worth everything.
Yes, this is the
best view of my life. See that? It's so beautiful.
Hey, early morning wake up for so pretty.
Every day I feel beyond grateful for this life. This is insane. Insane. Come back from we just went till the viewpoint and we are back at where we started near the parking. This view is insane. We're just gonna maybe find something to eat, have some coffee and head to our next activity for today. So just in case you're coming here, because we didn't do the whole hike, I'll just show you quickly. This is our starting point. This is where we are. We went up till here and we just came back. That's it. But the whole hike ends here, and if you are doing the whole thing, I think it takes about like 6 hours or so. I think it takes about like 6 hours or so, and you need to sort of book your taxi reservation to meet you at the end point of the hike.
ते आम्ही गेले आता.
नाही आम्ही अंगामसर गेला आम्ही दिशी नसो ना.
So what are your thoughts?
My thoughts are that I am speechless. I am speechless at how beautiful the universe is and how insignificant my problems are right now. Currently, so if you're in Madeira, by the way, cabs, yes, you download the Bolt app, but they do, like, the drivers don't accept the trip easily. Even yesterday, to go to the city center for dinner, we had to wait quite a while for a taxi driver to accept.
We have to start 15
the ride.
minutes in
Yeah,
advance.
and even now, like, because this we should have booked in advance, because here I think it's really far from like the main place, right? It's like at least 30 minutes. So taxis are not around, like you'll not find them. You have to book them in advance. Even in the morning to get to this place, we had to book the taxi in advance, and that still was delayed by half an hour. So.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Just taking pictures.
Bro, está.
काय नाही ना.
Let's go.
What is the purpose of your visit? Purpose of your visit.
तो फॅन नाही.
ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ
I took everybody for canyoning. Everybody hates me now.
ಕಾಳೆ ಹೊಂಟೆ ಸೊ See,
चांगलं आहे.
if you're thinking like this, please get help in 911.
And then we were very tired when we came back from canyoning. Everybody just showered and passed out. We had like 2 hours of sleep, and now we are out for dinner.
We're gonna order the meat plat. Right? Yeah. Smell it. Like it? Yeah. You like it?
Yes, it's really nice.
Thank you.
That's why I told you Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 26.
26 short
Famous. So tell.
So this is a garlic bread. Looks like
That's their famous charcoal bread.
charcoal bread. Yes.
Which we thought
Which I thought it was a...
That you get here. I don't know. All their bread looks black.
Okay.
Anyway, and we have some crispy sweet
Bondas.
starters.
Bondas. Bondas. Peri peri.
Okay, try. Let's.
yes,
That's really good. Nonchalant जाईल. Nonchalant. नाही ना. Our platter has arrived. I ordered some fries, some creamy mash with chocolate oil, and that's really good. Can this mash beat flat iron? It's similar, very, very, very similar.
That's the chicken.
Ribs. So good. Love it. Even the fries are really nice.
Wow. Focus on that. Ronaldo breathe, sir.
So that was what we did in the first 2 days that we were in Madeira. The video was getting really long, so I have to cut it here, and you have to come back to see what we did on our next 2 days. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.